So in the upcoming 5 minutes, I am going to tell you guys the top 6 reasons why you should choose Python. Or if you are someone who do not know anything about which language to choose, or if you are someone who are confused to choose your first programming language, or you should go to Python with Python or not, this video is for you guys to learn about why should you choose Python, should you choose that or not, basically. So I'll be talking about 6 main reasons why you should choose Python. So stick to the very end, subscribe now if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon for more such videos coming in the future. And here is the video.
Here's 5 of the most dreaded programming languages. Number 5 is Groovy. Groovy is like Java with dynamic typing.
So the first reason why everyone chooses Python to learn is because of its easy to use and easy to learn. Just because it is easy to learn and easy to use, everyone is not using that. But if you compare it with other programming languages like C++ or C language or Java, and if you compare Python with those languages, Python has a very simple interface and simple like learning usage also. So that is the reason why it is very popular nowadays, and many people are learning it and using it in their day-to-day life and choosing Python as their primary programming language to learn any stuff. So the second reason is that Python is very handy for web development purposes. If you see that Python has many more libraries, inbuilt libraries, with the help of which you can directly take out that library and use that in the web development, and that is the reason why it increases your productivity speed by many times than if you just go to the Python or the traditional path. And that is the reason why it is also used widely in web development purposes, and that is the reason why it has become popular in web development also. There are different frameworks like Django and Flask and many more things like that. Just because of those frameworks also, Python is becoming very much popular nowadays in web development. So the third reason is very important to know, and that is because of the AI and artificial intelligence and machine learning. Just because these two fields and also data science, Python is getting a way far dominance, and just because it is very easy to learn and faster to implement AI and machine learning, like there is a huge use of great use of Python in these 3 domains, and also the big data also. In that also machine learning and in AI and in data science, Python is widely used, and anyone who is interested in those fields is learning Python, and Python is their best language, and using that language only they are implementing their stuff and learning AI and machine learning. So the fourth reason is that Python automates tasks, and that is a very important reason, because if you see that in other programming languages you need to type in a huge code, and after that only you can implement different things. But in Python there is already, as I said to you guys, there are libraries and frameworks and stuff like that, and using those stuff you can directly automate many more things, and you can reduce your time that you are investing in this stuff, and eventually you can reduce and try out different experiments in Python. Just because you are saving the time there, you can try out different things, much more things in Python, and that is the reason why also people are choosing Python, because it automates much more things and makes it very simple interface for you guys to just try out different things and learn from different experiments you do in Python. Well, the fifth reason is that many companies are nowadays even looking for just Python developers, because they also believe that with the speed and accuracy and automation that Python is providing to them, they can eventually increase the growth of their company, just because of the time saved in writing the codes using different languages like Java or C++ or C language. And just because of that they are using Python developer, they are hiring Python developers, and just because of that there are lots and lots job for Python developers, and just because of that Python is getting way far dominance and people are learning it, and it is becoming popular eventually. Well, the sixth reason is that Python is already people are teaching it in the school only and college also, and just because of that also Python is getting prominence and it is becoming way more popular. If you see that in our college only, I am enrolled into a course of machine learning and artificial intelligence, and in that they teach Python as it is there is nothing except Python, and they teach that and just because of that also we feel so excited about Python. And is that is happening in my college only, but in the, if you see the schools out there, if you see the students who do not know anything about other programming languages also, but they are like loving Python because it is like very simple and very easier, and also it is sort of natural language that we use in English. And that is the reason why also people are like not feeling any huge difference in our speaking language or natural language and the Python. And it's because of that also people, students are like falling into love with Python, and after that they just want to code with Python only. And that is these were the basically like the 6 reasons that I think that just because of these Python is becoming way much popular, and someone should learn Python just because these 6 reasons are there. And if you are someone who do not know anything about which language to learn first, then I can tell you that if you are someone who are getting into different fields like data science or machine learning or big data, AI, or deep neural networks and stuff like that, or like the future technologies, all are based on Python. So if you are someone who aim to be someone huge in future, then focus on Python. And that is the reason why I'm going to create a full course of Python tomorrow, that will be there uploaded on YouTube. That is around 1.5 hour or 1 hour, I don't know that. But basically in that course I'll be teaching you guys from zero to high level, not high level that much, but also if you are someone who do not know anything about other language also, if you have zero knowledge about programming also, you can learn Python from zero itself and scale up yourself after watching that video. So that is the reason why I wanted to tell you guys in this video that do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, because the tomorrow's video is going to be very important for you guys if you are someone who are looking to learn Python. So that was it for today's video. If you learned something valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. And more importantly, stick to the tomorrow's video, which is going to be a huge course for beginners who do not know anything about Python or any other language. So that is going to be very important for you guys. So yeah, stick to tomorrow's video. And yeah, that was it for today's video. See you in the tomorrow's video. Bye bye.